In the demanding world of cutting-edge manufacturing, there's a constant need for faster, smarter, and safer technologies. From advancing the art of healthcare to exploring the fundamentals of matter and energy, you're powering tomorrow's innovations, and you need a partner you can trust. At Keller Technology Corporation, we combine leading technical capability with advanced engineering to deliver precision fabrication services, custom machinery, medical equipment, and contract manufacturing solutions for your toughest challenges. Since our inception more than a century ago, KTC has grown from a dedicated machine shop to a global manufacturing leader, with locations near Buffalo, New York, Charlotte, North Carolina, and Seoul, South Korea. We draw on our extensive history to push our capabilities forward, because you can't manufacture reliability. It comes from a skilled team, cutting-edge equipment, and a legacy of quality performance. Whether our products are used in modern manufacturing facilities, the healthcare field, or research laboratories, we deliver solutions you can count on when stakes are high. Keller Technology Corporation. Together, we manufacture what's next.